In front of me is Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Now, in order to disable it, choose Close in No Location Access pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of this device is off. You can always switch it back on by tapping on the same tile again. If you want to, you can always go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location over here. Then tap on this switcher next to Location Access to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!